Welcome back. Now let us understand the concept of anomaly. And anomaly, if you see by definition of anomaly, that something which is not following the normal trend, or which is a bit unusual and which is beyond expectation, and so on. So whenever you start working with anomaly, just try to define any one thing. Either you define what is normal or define what is anomaly. And while defining this, definitely you are going to work with business and see that how they have defined these two things. If you are able to define any one of these, then the other situation is anomaly. And if you are able to define anomaly, then whatever is not matching that definition will become normal. So in case of anomaly detection, always it will be binary, either 0 or 1. There will not be situation where it will be in between. In between, if you are trying to say, then you have to put it in any one of this bucket. And let me give you the example of the fraud analytics where I have worked a good number of years. In the case of fraud analytics, either you say that that person is fraud or not. Even if you are suppose you are not having enough evidence, then definitely that you have to put it in a normal bucket, but only with a high score. So it may happen that in future, if he does something more wrong, his score will indefinitely increase and it will cross the cutoff. So that is what is anomaly and what is normal. This is very, very important, and just try to define and have patience. I have worked in a project where definition itself has taken almost 2 to 3 weeks. So people, they wanted to do the fraud analytics or they wanted to do anomaly detection, but they don't know what is anomaly. So have patience. Definitely it will take some time to identify. Okay, good. So now let us go ahead. And there are multiple ways through which you can find it out anomaly. And I will explain that thing in the code. But let me explain you that if there would have been something called by sigma, I hope I recollect. So in case of time series, we have the moving average, and whichever is going beyond 2 sigma. 2 sigma means around 95% accuracy. So whichever is going beyond 2 sigma in both directions, that become anomaly. This is the one of the example that whatever the rate point which you see, those are the points beyond 2 sigma. And the green one is the moving average. Okay, and it may happen that business says, even though it is going beyond sigma, but I have the tolerance. So if you see, this yellow line is a kind of tolerance. So when they say that yes, this yellow line is tolerance, then what you have to clip that anything is going above or below the yellow line will be appropriate for the business outcome. And if you try to take the union of both, this will look like this. So this is the way you identify the anomaly, and this is the way you define the anomaly. And there are a lot of the techniques in R which will R plus Python and any other software, basically whatever you use it. There are a lot of the techniques and you can use it as per your requirement. So that's all about the definition of anomaly, and thanks a lot for watching it. Let us do the hands-on. Thank you.